Hey everybody, this is Josh from Rennline, and today we're going to be installing our E236 carbon fiber rear diffuser on a 991.1. So I've already removed both rear tires. That's going to give me access to all the bumper screws. For starters, you're going to want to remove the top screws here, and then there's screws in each fender well and underneath the whole side of the car. For our next step, we want to remove the bumper. So grab a friend, and we're going to pull out on the bumper, which should release it. Then we're going to pull away. Now, important part is don't forget to unplug, thank you. Don't forget to unplug the license plate light. Cool. Right over here on this blanket. For our next step, we want to flip the bumper upside down, and we want to drill this rivet out. And that releases this little metal retaining frame, which is needed to get the diffuser on. Just like that. For our next step, we want to remove the factory rear diffuser. This part's pretty tricky, so I'm going to lay it down like this to show you. There's all these little tabs right here that we want to push through the bumper this way so it releases this black trim. Some tricky spots are right here and right here in the corner. For our next step, we're going to put this on just the same way as we took the stock one off. These also have these factory tabs that slot into the groove on the same part as the bumper. Cool. For our next step, we're going to put the bumper back on. Flip it back over. Just be careful because your rear diffuser is not fully mounted to the body yet. And for our next step, we're going to fasten the rear diffuser to the bumper. So we're going to start with these holes to fit the longer provided hardware. We're going to go through the second hole, and then you want to mount back to your factory location. These we want to mount, push up just a little bit. You want to center the screw on the slat. It's very important that we can set our height of how this section of the diffuser sucks to the body. We don't want to go too tight where it bends it, but we want to go tight enough that it'll be fastened securely. For example, nice and tight. And for the last step, we want to put the whole bumper back together. So we want to start with the screws that we pulled out from the side, from the top, from each corner where the taillights are to the other side, put the taillights back in, and get the final screws across the top, and then you're done. If you like this product and you'd like to check out more, go to our website at rennline.com.